Welcome to channel. Don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon. I'm sure you've heard the news. Kali Linux has a cool history. It's developed by a company called Offensive Security. They're experts in cybersecurity. Kali Linux actually evolved from an earlier tool called BackTrack. BackTrack itself was based on other security distributions. Think of it like a family tree of hacking tools, all leading to Kali Linux. Today, Kali Linux is super popular. Many security professionals and ethical hackers use it every day. Why is it so popular? It's constantly updated with the latest tools and techniques. Plus, it's open source, meaning it's free to use. Welcome to the channel. Don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon. Let's open that toolbox and see what's inside. Just like a mechanic needs a variety of tools to fix different parts of a car, a cybersecurity expert needs a range of tools to tackle various security challenges. Kali Linux is like a well-stocked toolbox for hackers and security professionals. Kali Linux is packed with powerful tools. It's a specialized Linux distribution designed for digital forensics and penetration testing. Whether you're a seasoned professional or just starting out, Kali Linux has something for everyone. For passwords, there's John the Ripper. This tool is a fast password cracker, currently available for many flavors of Unix, Windows, DOS, BOS, and OpenVMMS. It's designed to detect weak passwords and improve security. This tool can crack weak passwords. Aircrack-ng is another one. It's a complete suite of tools to assess Wi-Fi network security. It focuses on different areas of Wi-Fi security, including monitoring, attacking, testing, and cracking. It helps you test the security of Wi-Fi networks. With Aircrack-ng, you can capture data packets, export them to text files for further processing by third-party tools, and even crack WEP APSK keys. Want to test websites? Burp Suite is your friend. It's an integrated platform for performing security testing of web applications. Its various tools work seamlessly together to support the entire testing process, from initial mapping and analysis of an application's attack surface to finding and exploiting security vulnerabilities. It finds weaknesses in web applications. Burp Suite is highly customizable and can be used to automate repetitive tasks, making it a favorite among security professionals. These are just a few examples. Kali Linux is equipped with hundreds of tools, each designed for a specific purpose. From network analysis to vulnerability assessment, from password cracking to digital forensics, there's a tool for every need. Kali Linux has hundreds of tools. The sheer number of tools can be overwhelming, but it also means that you have the right tool for any job. Whether you're conducting a penetration test, performing a security audit, or just learning about cybersecurity, Kali Linux has you covered. Each one has a special purpose for testing different aspects of security. For example, Nmap is a powerful network scanning tool that can discover hosts and services on a computer network, thus creating a map of the network. Metasploit, on the other hand, is a framework for developing and executing exploit code against a remote target machine. Best part? Many of these tools have a command line interface. This might seem intimidating at first, but it gives you a lot of control. Command line tools are often more powerful and flexible than their graphical counterparts, allowing you to script and automate tasks, which can save a lot of time and effort. It might seem intimidating at first, but it gives you a lot of control. With practice, you'll find that the command line becomes an invaluable tool in your cybersecurity arsenal. So, dive in, explore the tools, and start securing your digital world with Kali Linux. Let's see these tools in action. In the world of cybersecurity, practical application is key to understanding how these tools work and how they can be used to protect systems. Imagine you want to test the strength of your own password. This is a common task for anyone interested in securing their personal information or for professionals ensuring the safety of their clients' data. You can use John the Ripper in Kali Linux to do just that. John the Ripper is a powerful password cracking tool that can help you identify weak passwords by attempting to crack them using various methods. It will try different combinations to see how long it takes to crack your password. This process can reveal whether your password is strong enough to withstand a brute force attack or if it needs to be strengthened. Remember, only do this on your own systems. It's important to respect privacy and legal boundaries. Unauthorized access to someone else's system is illegal and unethical. Another example is using Burp Suite to test a website. Burp Suite is a comprehensive tool for web application security testing. You can intercept the traffic between your browser and the website. This allows you to analyze the data being sent and received, which can help you identify potential security issues. This helps you see if there are any vulnerabilities that a hacker could exploit. By identifying these vulnerabilities, you can take steps to secure the website and protect it from potential attacks. Remember, these are just basic examples. The field of ethical hacking is vast and constantly evolving, with new tools and techniques being developed all the time. Real-world ethical hacking is much more complex. It involves a deep understanding of systems, networks, and the latest security threats. Ethical hackers must stay up to date with the latest developments in the field to effectively protect against cyber threats. Ethical hacking also involves continuous learning and collaboration. Attending conferences, participating in workshops, and engaging with the cybersecurity community are essential for staying informed and improving skills. In practice, ethical hackers often work on complex network setups, using detailed diagrams and advanced tools to map out and secure systems. This requires not only technical skills, but also strategic thinking and problem-solving abilities. Conducting a penetration test is a common task for ethical hackers. This involves simulating an attack on a system to identify weaknesses before malicious hackers can exploit them. The findings from these tests are then used to strengthen the system's defenses. After conducting tests, ethical hackers often write detailed reports and present their findings to clients. These reports include recommendations for improving security and mitigating risks. Achieving certifications is also an important part of an ethical hacker's career. Certifications validate their skills and knowledge, making them more credible and sought after in the industry. Mentorship and knowledge sharing are crucial in the cybersecurity field. Experienced ethical hackers often mentor juniors, helping them develop their skills and understanding of the field. The dedication and passion of ethical hackers drive them to work tirelessly to protect systems and data. Their efforts are vital in the fight against cybercrime and in ensuring the safety and security of our digital world. Section 5. The right way to hack ethical considerations. With great power comes great responsibility. It's crucial to always use Kali Linux ethically and legally. Hacking without permission is a crime. Never target systems or networks that you don't own or have permission to test. Ethical hacking is all about responsible disclosure. If you find a vulnerability, you report it to the owner of the system. This way, they can fix it before a malicious hacker exploits it. Section 6. Starting your ethical hacking journey. Ready to dive into the world of ethical hacking? Awesome. First, learn the basics of Linux. Kali Linux is based on Debian, so start there. Once you're comfortable with Linux, download Kali Linux and install it in a virtual machine. A virtual machine is like a safe sandbox on your computer. Then, start exploring the tools. There are tons of resources online, like the Offensive Security website. Practice makes perfect. The more you experiment in a safe environment, the better you'll become. Section 7. Learn more. Resources for ethical hackers. The world of cybersecurity is always changing. New threats and vulnerabilities emerge all the time. That's why it's crucial to keep learning. Offensive Security offers courses and certifications that can boost your skills. There are also online communities, forums, and websites dedicated to ethical hacking. Never stop exploring and expanding your knowledge. Section 8. The future of cybersecurity. As technology advances, so do the methods of cybercriminals. Cybersecurity is a constantly evolving field. Ethical hackers play a vital role in protecting our digital world. By learning Kali Linux and ethical hacking techniques, you're joining the front lines in the fight against cybercrime. Section 9. Your adventure begins. Learning Kali Linux and ethical hacking can be challenging, but it's also incredibly rewarding. You'll gain valuable skills, protect systems and data, and maybe even land a cool job in cybersecurity. So, what are you waiting for? Your adventure begins today.